DocBits uses two main methods to extract data from your documents: OCR and eText. OCR, Optical Character Recognition. OCR reads the printed text on your document and converts it into data you can validate. To see exactly what OCR detected, click OCR View on the validation screen. In the inside of OCR View, use the left icon in the top right corner to switch to Debug Mode. Here, you can inspect all OCR extraction details. Use the right icon to display the original document, which helps you quickly compare what was extracted versus what appears on the file. eText. Some documents contain an internal text layer. When this is available, DocBits can extract data directly, no OCR needed. To enable eText for a specific supplier, open More Settings on the right side and toggle Use eText if available. If eText exists, DocBits uses it automatically. If not, it falls back to OCR. You can fine-tune OCR behavior in Settings, Document Processing, OCR. Here, you can set the minimum OCR quality and choose what happens when quality is too low. Enable Global eText, which uses eText for all suppliers whenever available. Turn on Deskew to automatically straighten tilted scans. Select the OCR version to test which one performs best. Force DocBits to use OCR for table extraction, even when eText is present. At the bottom of the OCR settings, you'll find two header extraction options. Rules extraction uses your predefined rules to detect header fields. AI extraction uses AI to automatically detect header fields. If both are enabled, DocBits runs them in this order: rules extraction and then AI extraction. For the best accuracy, we recommend keeping both enabled. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos on our YouTube channel.